Hi. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be real. I'm thinking of changing my YouTube name. So, yeah. Today we're gonna be doing quads and vocals. Quads and vocals, everybody. Quads and vocals. Throwback. I'm sitting on a pool float with my blanket covering it. Ah! It's about to deflate. Ow! I should probably move if we're gonna do quads, or I can just move this. We just got ignite the lights and let them shine. Just on the night. No, I'm not gonna sing. My shirt's coming up. Dang it. Tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. It's gonna be okay. You know what? Wait. I can just put an emoji over my face, so hold on. Okay, perfect.